Okay, so the second product that I want to highlight from our winter 2020 release are our contouring sticks and our highlighter stick. I am so ridiculously excited to do this with you guys. I have already fallen in love with a highlighter stick. It is my new holy grail skincare makeup item. Well, it's makeup, but it works on bare skin or on makeup, so I'm super excited about it. But I'll get to that in a minute. I want to talk about the contouring sticks first. So these are limited edition Mary Kay at Play products, only here for winter time. So the contouring sticks, we have them in two colors. There is Get Sculpted 1, which is a paler one, and Get Sculpted 2, which is a darker one. And I don't know if you can really tell, but anyway, light and dark. Obviously for if you have lighter skin tone, darker skin tone person. For contouring, you typically want to choose a product that's only 2 or 3 shades darker than your skin. So this one's even pushing it for me, the lighter one, because I'm not that dark, but it works well. The trick is to blend. So I'm actually going to show you how to use it. They are cream sticks. They twist up just like a pencil or crayon. Well, you know what I mean. Neither of those twist up. It is a twisty uppy, so you don't have to sharpen it. Very easy to use. Very easy to apply and blend on your skin. So contouring sticks, they add dimension and depth to your face. So you would apply them anywhere where you want to give the impression of a shadow falling on your face. Just to add a little extra definition. So most typically that is underneath your cheekbone. So you can tell, like, I naturally have a bit of a divot there. Most of us do. So it's like right in there in the valley of your face where you would want to put contour here. To give your nose a more slim appearance, you can run a couple lines along the front of your nose. You can do around that borders of your face, especially to make your forehead not look so big. I have a pretty wide forehead. You can actually like contour like your chin and your neck, and like the options are limitless just about, but I'm going to show you really quick. So I want to do, it's kind of hard to see on my camera, but I'm going to go for my cheekbone right here. So you just draw, yeah, I'm just drawing it on. And then you blend it out. I'm going to use my finger, but a blending sponge or a blending brush or something like that would be good too. So I'm just going to start. I've already done my makeup, obviously. Ooh, I might have put on too much. Okay, I'm gonna pause this and keep blending so you don't have to like watch me do this for 30 seconds. Okay, so I have finished blending in. It only took me 20 or 30 seconds to do. And if you're more skilled at it than I am, it will take you less time. So I just applied some right on the edge of my cheek. And when I turn, like, you can't even tell that it's there. But when you're looking at me like head on, like, you can tell comparing the two sides of my face. Like, this one looks a little more narrow, a tad bit more sculpted, just like almost as if I have a better defined cheekbone, right? So none on this side, but I do have some on this side, and it, you know, if you blend it in, it looks just fine. So now I'm gonna do the highlighter. Love this so much. So our highlighter is Rose Gold Glow is its color, and well, I'll just apply it right on my face. It has a hint of almost like blush tone to it in addition to the highlight. And so highlighting, you want to give, put it in places where you want light to hit. So places you want to accent. We're basically creating our own fake lighting on our face with contour and highlight. So this would be the tops of your cheekbones, your cheeks, like straight down the middle of your nose. It could be like tip of your chin. There's various areas you can apply it to sculpt your face how you want. So I'm gonna do, again, basic just on the cheeks. So I did my contour down here, and I'm gonna do my highlighter up here. So I'm just gonna draw it on. You can tell it's a very, you know, it doesn't stand out a whole bunch, and that's okay. And I'm actually going to carry it up a little bit. But more so. Super creamy and smooth, goes on easy. Got to make sure I don't use the same finger as my contour finger. And then we do the same thing. Just blend, and I'm going to pause while I blend. Okay, so I finished blending it in, and you can tell it's very subtle. And my lighting kind of washes my face out a little bit too. So you can tell on my cheek, there's just this really subtle shimmer, like right where I applied in this area and blended out. As if there's a light hitting my face right from over here, even though there isn't, it's just coming straight on. So comparing my cheeks, you can tell like the little spot of shimmer versus no shimmer, no contour, no highlight, but there is over here. So super easy to use. Another popular spot is actually to go right under the arch of your eyebrow, just like a little dot of highlighter there. I'll just scrub it in right there, and I'll probably mess up my eyebrows, but that's okay. But that actually is a good spot to put it to help visually lift and brighten your eye area, especially if you're somebody who has hooded eyes like I do. They tend to look a little droopy sometimes, so putting little spots of highlighter right here actually somehow they just like lighten it up, give the appearance of like more open, bright, alert, and awake eyes. So a couple little tricks for you, but those are our highlight and contour sticks. Super easy to apply and use. I love them so much. You can use them on bare skin or on top of your makeup. Whatever floats your boat. If you just want a little bit of glow and shadow with no makeup on, then by all means apply them to your bare skin. Otherwise, you go about your normal makeup routine as you would, get your foundation on, and then do these on top and then finish with setting spray or whatever you choose to do. But those are our contour and highlight sticks.